In Kamakwa, Nyeri County, we installed a submersible solar water pump in a 30-meter deep, shallow well to irrigate a 3-acre vegetable farm. The goal is to provide a sustainable off-grid water solution for intensive agriculture. We begin the journey at our Grekkon Nyeri office, where the submersible solar water pump is prepared for installation. Now, after the final checks, the equipment is carefully loaded into the car, ready for delivery to the project site at Kamakwa. The system is designed for a 30-meter deep shallow well, and it will irrigate a 3-acre vegetable farm using solar energy. At the site, the solar panels are mounted in a sun-facing position. The submersible pump is lowered into the well. Once powered up, the system immediately begins to deliver clean, steady water flow to the farm.
Hi, my name is Erastus Kifadi, a representative of Catholic Archdiocese of Nyeri. I visited Grekkon and for the purpose of installing a solar water pump, and this has been done by Grekkon Limited. As you can see, we have here the controller, and this is the well, about 31 meters, and we also have the water pan where the water is pumped to the water pan. Then after the water pan, it is then pumped to the overhead tank.
With this installation, the farmer now enjoys reliable irrigation, lower running costs, and higher yields. All this powered by our sun.
So we opted for solar water pump for the reason of saving on the electricity bill, because formerly we had an AC pump. We opted for this in order to save on utility bills. We are proud that we took this initiative, and we are grateful for the work that Grekkon Limited has done. Asanteni sana.
We are Grekkon Limited, and we deliver smart, sustainable solutions across Kenya.